In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the cover photo on your Google business profile. Whether you're updating your business image or just giving your profile a fresh look, changing your cover photo is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to business.google.com. Once there, you'll need to sign in. Look for the sign in button at the upper right corner of the screen. You'll be prompted to log in using your Gmail account or the email you use for your business. Now, if you've already signed into your account previously, you'll be taken directly to your business page. But if not, go ahead and sign in to access your Google Business dashboard. If you can't directly locate your business profile, you can also find it by going to Google search and typing in your business name or simply My Business. This search will lead you to your Google Business profile where you can manage all your business details. Now that you're on your dashboard, focus on finding the section for photos. Typically, you will see this option within your profile tabs. Click on Photos and this will bring up various photo categories, including your cover photo. Scroll down a bit until you spot the option to add a cover photo. Click on Add a cover photo. At this point, you have several options for uploading your new cover image. You can either drag the image from your files directly into the designated box that appears or choose to click on Select Image. Clicking Select Image will prompt you to browse through your files and select the perfect picture you'd like to upload. Once you've decided on a photo, choose it by clicking Open. After uploading, your selected photo will appear in the cover image section instantly. It's a quick process, but please be patient. Your new cover photo takes a little time before it's visible to the public, since Google will need to verify it first. Once it's all set, if at any point you wish to remove the current cover photo, all you need to do is click on the trash icon in the upper right corner of the image. Tapping this icon will delete the cover photo, allowing you to start the process over by adding a new one if you wish. And that's it, you've successfully updated the cover photo on your Google Business profile. Keeping your business image fresh and engaging is key to maintaining a strong online presence. Thanks for watching and happy branding.